I was working from sun up to sundown in my business, trying to create all of this content that would bring awareness to my brand, that would bring customers to my business, that would relay my capabilities, my qualifications, and communicate with my target audience and ideal clients why I am the person they should work with, that my company is the company they should do business with, that our products and services and programs is the solution to their problems. You know, the content, website copy, bios, personal narratives, brand stories, business stories, your funding journey, target audience story, ideal client story, product story, service story. Again, all that content that any entrepreneur and business owner, any business, even corporations and government agencies and nonprofits need to create to be able to put out there as inbound marketing to draw people into their brand, their business, their service, their products, their mission. And we can't forget about newsletter content, blogs and articles, social media posts. And so unbeknownst to me, and maybe some of you too, which is why I'm recording this message, I was making my business an idol. Some of you may have to go look up that word and meditate on that. So not only was I making my business an idol, I had the nerve and the audacity to ask God to bless it. I don't know why I'm whispering. God already knows this. It ain't like he can't hear me. But in all seriousness, I had made my business an idol, and I was asking God to bless an idol. If you're an entrepreneur and a business owner, then you know most of the time we start our businesses and we create services and products and programs to solve a problem, namely a problem we ourselves had or a problem we were witnessing someone else experience. And that's when the team members at my company, Path to Publishing and Path to Connections, got together and created B.O.S.S, Business of Strategic Storytelling. The Business of Strategic Storytelling workshop, it is not a webinar disguised as a workshop. It is a true workshop where we workshop you through creating these stories, through creating this content that, one, is a year's worth of content, and two, with the bonus repurpose system and strategies that will equip you with, you'll be able to take that content and turn it into years worth of content. I'm talking about the lifetime of your business content. Do you have any idea how much of your time that would free up? How much of your money that would free up? I'm talking about when it comes to working with copywriters, with grant writers, with pitch coaches, even with your photographers. Because think about how big of a role storytelling plays in all of that. Just think of your life now and how much time you dedicate and even brain power you dedicate to putting together stories and content. And now envision your life as an entrepreneur and a business owner if you didn't have to. If you had more content than you knew what to do with. Well, that's exactly what your life would look like after B.O.S.S, the Business of Strategic Storytelling workshop. So visit www.pathtoconnections.com or even eventbrite.com to learn more about B.O.S.S, the Business of Strategic Storytelling workshop, and then register for our next cohort. Don't you think it's about time you free up your time?